Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Madam Eti from SK Seri Pasir, Batu Pahat, Johor. Welcome to Madam Eti's channel. Please enjoy my lesson, click on the like button and share it with others. Let's put on your thinking cap and start learning. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is a verb used to show habits, regular actions, and facts. Structure, subject, plus verb in present form. The verb depends on its subjects. For plural subjects, the verb is in a base form. For example, I walk. You play. We learn. They hear. Mimi and I buy. So, if the subjects are more than one, the verb is in a base form. On the other hand, if the subjects are in a singular form, that means there's only one subject. One subject is single, so the verb should be verb plus s. The verb depends on its subject. For example, he walks. We add s here because he is a single person. She plays. It learns. Adin hears. The boy buys. The simple present tense is also used to refer to present time. Structure, subject plus verb to be. The verb to be in simple present tense depends on its subjects. For plural subjects, the verb to be are always are. For example, you are, we are, they are, Mimi and I are. However, I is always followed by verb to be am. I am. The verb to be for singular subjects are always is. For example, he is, she is, it is, Adin is, the boy is. When do we use simple present tense? We use the simple present tense to show habits. For example, I comb my hair every day. In this sentence, the verb is in a base form. The verb depends on the subject. I is always considered as plural. Next, we use the simple present tense to show regular action. For example, Siti Nurhaliza goes to the market every Sunday. The verb go is added by es because the subject Siti Nurhaliza is a singular subject. We also use the simple present tense to refer to present time. For example, we are sleepy. So the structure here is subject plus verb to be plus adjective. Are is used as the verb to be because the subject is in a plural form. Last but not least, the simple present tense is also used to state general facts. For example, the sun rises from the east. Let's check your understanding by completing the exercise that follows. Look at the sentence and choose the best answer. Susanti read or reads a book every Sunday. First, look at the clue. The clue is Susanti. Susanti is in a singular form. if the subject is in a singular form, so the verb should be verb plus s. So the correct answer is reads. Susanti reads a book every Sunday. Next one. Chef Guy works in his restaurant. Excellence. The answer is works. Look at the clue. Chef Guy. The subject is in singular form. Alright, here's the next question. The boys wash or washes their father's car every weekend. So what's the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is wash. Boys are plural. That's all from me. For more revision notes and practices, please download Awesome apps in your smart devices. Please log into your Awesome's account and follow Madam 80's revision page. See you there!